Hey, what's up guys, hope you all have an amazing day. It's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, back out again with another video. Just out and about, enjoying this little warm, oh not warm, hot day, you know? It's a very hot day. Oh god, I'm wearing a mask too, because I'm trying to protect whatever is left of my hair. I'm doing a hair treatment right now, so I got like a silk balaclava on my face, like a ski mask kind of thing. Also, there's like these silk skull masks, but well, like skull caps. But I know that'll probably like slip when I'm putting it on, when I'm putting on the helmet. So I'm not wearing that. Just having a grand old time on the bike. I'm trying to make sure that the bike's performing well in warm weather, because if you can, well, by now I've probably, when you guys see this upload on Wednesday, I've already gone to work for 2 days on the bike, and those 2 days were probably the hottest it's going to be this week. So I just want to see right now, the day, like 2 days before I go to the office, can it handle warm weather? Does it overheat? How does it react to it? Because this is my main transportation now for work whenever I have to go in office. So that's how it is. Hopefully the mic is still on here. I mounted it a different way, so hopefully it's still sticking in there. And yeah, I was going to do another vlog of how to ride a bike in 10 minutes or less. I'll probably do that as the next video, because I'm already out and riding right now. I don't want to like turn around, go to a parking lot and do that right now. So I'll do that probably for the next video. So when I get back into town, I'll probably find a parking lot then. Honestly though, if the weather's like this, for like the wind gusts and all that, it's going to be even more windy than this. I'll probably be very cool going to work in the morning at like 5:30 in the morning. So I think it'll be good. It's just coming home is going to be the issue. Freaking, how's going to be the middle of the day where it's going to be the hottest it is going to be in the entire day. Like, damn. It's going to be way too hot. Today's motor vlog is just going to be more of a riding video. I'm not going to be talking much in this one. Just taking in the wind, taking in the cool breeze as I'm riding on the Marauder, on my noble steed. Honestly, this has been much more, I've said this before, but I'm saying it again. This bike has been more reliable than probably any of my vehicles. Besides the Mustang. The Mustang was nice. Besides that, this has been very reliable. It's been like 2 years. Next month is going to be 2 years, isn't it? I honestly don't know if it's been more than 2 years. I feel like it's been 2 years. Wait, by the end of this month, it's going to be 2 years on this bike, on this noble steed. Man, I love it. Now, knock on wood that nothing happens. If anything happens, then I'm screwed. Do you think I should paint the Marauder black? I'm really thinking for IG and for Instagram, for TikTok, for YouTube Shorts. I feel like a black bike would be more aesthetically pleasing. Like, the Marauder is nice. I love it. I love the paint color. I love the paint scheme on it. But I also really want like a full-on black, like blacked out bike. That could be pretty nice. Don't you guys say? Alright guys, I'm gonna end this here. I don't know how long I'm gonna be out riding, and I don't want this one to go on like too long. So I'm gonna end this here. It's a little quick little it's like a small little rip around town, or well, a couple of towns. So I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's very boring. I might not even post this, but hopefully you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be on Saturday. That one will probably be much better. So I bid you adieu. Stay safe, stay hydrated, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.